You're converting your home into flats, or maybe adding self-contained units. But now you're hearing things like, you'll need 3-phase. The DNO will take months. Your fuse can't handle it. At Royale Installation Ltd, we help landlords like you upgrade electrical supplies safely, legally, and cost-effectively, without defaulting to 3-phase. Here's how we guide you through the 7-step process, and how to avoid mistakes that delay projects and cost thousands. Step 1. Load assessment. What can your supply handle? Your house might still be on a 60 amp or 80 amp fuse, meant for one family. But now you've got 2 or 3 kitchens, tenants with independent appliances, and 24/7 demand. We start with a full load assessment, checking what's being used now, what you plan to add, and where your limits are. Sometimes we can avoid an upgrade with smart design. Other times we plan a full supply boost. Either way, we give you the facts so you can make a smart, cost-efficient decision. Step 2. EICR, the Electrical Condition Report. Before any upgrade happens, we need to ensure your existing system is safe. That's what the EICR is for, the Electrical Installation Condition Report. We check your wiring, earthing, bonding and board to spot dangers like old fuses, no RCDs or undersized tails. If it fails, we guide you on the fixes and get you up to spec before the next step. The EICR also gives the DNO confidence that your system won't overload or fail after the upgrade. Step 3. Quotes and realistic cost breakdowns. After the EICR and load assessment, we give you a detailed estimate, no guesswork. It includes labour, materials, DNO coordination, certification, and options like smart load control or surge protection. The range depends on how complex the project is, but we make sure you understand every line. Step 4. Supply design and DNO application. This is where we put everything together, in a design tailored to your building. Our supply design includes load breakdowns, protective device specs and diversity allowances, all compliant with BS 7671. Then we submit the full application to your local DNO, like UK Power Networks or SSE. They'll review it and approve the upgrade, which could involve upgrading their side of the service too. Step 5. Installation done right. Installation begins once we've got approval and parts on site. That might include new consumer units for each flat, upgraded meter tails, proper bonding and an isolator switch. We label everything clearly, tidy up the board and prep the system for final energisation. All work is fully tested and certified to BS 7671 standards. Step 6. Commissioning and client handover. Once the upgrade is complete, we don't just pack up and go. We walk you through a full handover, step by step. First, we show you your new consumer unit, which breakers control what, where your RCD protection is, how to safely isolate power in an emergency. Then we explain your electrical installation certificate, what it proves and why it's essential for landlords, insurers and resale. We also go over fuse size and DNO reference number, bonding locations and meter tails, the importance of keeping the meter area accessible. And if you've got a smart meter or isolator, we'll show you how to monitor your usage and spot any issues early. Our goal is simple. You should feel confident running your upgraded system, whether you're the one living there or managing multiple tenants. Last step, step 7, final advice and supply maintenance tips. Once installed, maintaining your upgraded supply is simple if you know what to look for. Keep the area around your meter and isolator clear. Test RCDs regularly and keep your DNO fuse info handy in case of future faults. If you manage multiple tenants, consider setting reminders to review your installation every few years. We're not just here to fit the system, we're here to support it. Reach out to Royale anytime you need honest advice.
We're returning to a property which has been upgraded with the main service head. So the original meters were all here in this basement flat, and we've moved them upstairs and everything, and us doing the installation. All right. Okay, one of the biggest problems we had was when they came to read the meter, all of the meters were downstairs in the flat below. So if the client was out, it was an issue, if she was away. So instead of that, the solution is to bring the meters in the communal area for the upstairs, so they all have their individual meters and their isolators, and this makes it more financially viable as each homeowner or tenant has their own isolator, so you don't have the inconvenience of having to be in for the upstairs residents when you live downstairs.
Curious to know more? Head over to our channel and watch the full video.
Okay, so these are the main isolators for the cutout that we moved upstairs and the meters we arranged for the service providers to come and change them and update the system.
That's the full process of upgrading your electrical supply for flat conversions, done right. In our next video, we'll explore smart load management and how many landlords avoid three-phase entirely. Subscribe now to future-proof your property with Royale Installation Ltd.